Tarzan. Oh, you scared me, Gordon.
I'm sorry I'm late, Thomas, but there was something wrong with the track switches, and I went the long way around.
Never mind, Percy. Mr. Conductor would still be proud of us.
Yes, indeed.
Thomas, I was thinking...
Two things. Why is it dark at night? And how does Mr. Conductor travel here?
By gold dust.
Doesn't he?
But if there's a lost engine, maybe there's a lost railway, too. Mr. Conductor's railway.
Percy, I've always thought that gold dust is all Mr. Conductor needs to travel here. But maybe he's really supposed to travel on the lost engine.
And when I collected him yesterday, he said it had a really bumpy ride here. Maybe the sidings have something to do with it too.
He talked about buffers in his sleep last night.
Wait, I heard him.
Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how he travels to this island.
On a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever.
We'll have to ask Mr. Conductor. If we find him.
Woo!
I don't think we should say any more. My wheel suddenly feels a little wobbly. I think Diesel's around here somewhere.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said. I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.
He thinks I'm scrap already.
I've been working on the railway all the live long day. Yeah, who wants to work a live long day anyway? There he is. Come in and join the party, Splodge.
Hooray, hooray!
Oh, wow.
We're gonna have a party!
I love parties.
Yeah, who's got the balloons?
Correction.
Join the party.
Hey, hey, we're going to have a party. We're going to have a party. Who's got the balloons? Who's got the balloons?
Correction. Join the party that's over. Just like Twinkletoes' magic railway's going to be over.
Gone. Like the lost engine and the buffers that lead to her.
And like those steam engines, too. Destroy, Splodge! Destroy!
But we might hurt somebody or something.
So? We don't know where the entrance to his railway is, so we don't know which are the right buffers. Therefore, you've got to destroy all of them.
What are you going to do? Yeah.
It's time to finally put Twinkletoes' lights out. This is a job for the boss.
I've got to delay him. I've got to distract him.
It's the old teapot. Smash him!
Get back here! Don't make me come up here. I hate it when you do this. Good show.
Boss, did you mean to do that?
To let the roof fall in?
All the way in.
I always...
Mean what I do.
Well, you should put those steam engines in their place.
Yeah, right on the tracks.
Good one, boss.
Oh, you rough bucket.
Like seeing steam engines.
Steaming?
You rattle trap.